What happens to your body when you eat celery every day? Discover the incredible health benefits of incorporating celery into your daily diet. This widely available vegetable offers numerous advantages, as it is low in calories, fat-free, and packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Celery has been used medicinally for centuries, with the ancient Egyptians relying on its reputed ability to heal skin disorders and the Romans employing it to alleviate toothaches. Even today, celery continues to be embraced as a natural remedy for various conditions, including high blood pressure, diabetes, colic, and insomnia. Join us in this video as we explore the remarkable effects of consuming celery every day and delve into its amazing health benefits. 1. Lowers blood sugar levels. Celery boasts a wealth of health benefits attributed to its high insoluble fiber and sodium nitrate content. These components are known to promote the relaxation of arterial walls, potentially lowering blood pressure. However, if you are currently taking medication for hypertension, it is crucial to consult your doctor before incorporating celery into your daily diet. Furthermore, celery possesses natural diuretic properties that aid in flushing out excess fluids from the body. This includes excess insulin that may be present after consuming a carbohydrate-rich meal, such as bread or pasta. By doing so, celery can assist in regulating blood sugar levels following the consumption of starchy foods, which typically cause a spike in glucose levels. Research suggests that consuming celery before meals may contribute to reduced post-meal blood sugar levels. This effect is attributed to an amino acid called L-canovanine present in celery. L-canovanine stimulates insulin production in the pancreas, aiding in the management of blood sugar levels after a meal. As with any dietary changes, it is advisable to consult a healthcare professional or registered dietitian, particularly if you have existing medical conditions or are on medication. They can provide personalized guidance on incorporating celery into your diet and help ensure its compatibility with your specific health needs. 2. Supports gut health. Celery offers a multitude of health benefits, and one notable advantage is its positive impact on gut health. The fiber present in celery plays a crucial role in promoting a healthy gut by increasing the population of beneficial bacteria while discouraging harmful microbes from adhering to the intestinal walls. This mechanism facilitates the easy passage of nutrients and contributes to the smooth functioning of the digestive system. Studies have indicated that celery can be particularly beneficial in supporting gut health, including in the treatment of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. The fiber content in celery helps add bulk to the stool, aiding in the prevention of constipation commonly associated with IBS. Furthermore, celery contains compounds known as phthalides, which have shown promise in protecting against bacterial overgrowth in the gut. This can contribute to a balanced and healthy gut microbiome. By incorporating celery into your diet, you can harness its potential to promote gut health, regulate bowel movements, and support overall digestive well-being. As always, it is advisable to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice, especially if you have specific gut health concerns or medical conditions. 3. Prevents heartburn. Heartburn can be an uncomfortable sensation, often likened to swallowing a bottle of hot sauce. It occurs when stomach acid flows back up into the esophagus, potentially causing pain and irritation to the upper digestive tract. However, incorporating celery into your diet may help prevent heartburn by virtue of its amino acid content, specifically apiol. This amino acid has been found to reduce the secretion of stomach acid, providing relief from heartburn and alleviating stomach discomfort. By inhibiting gastric acid secretion, celery helps maintain a healthier balance and mitigates the potential for acid reflux. Furthermore, celery contributes to maintaining optimal levels of stomach enzymes necessary for proper digestion. This aids in overall digestive health, ensuring a smoother digestion process and reducing the likelihood of heartburn. For the best results, consider consuming celery during lunchtime, as it can help keep you hydrated throughout the afternoon. The high water content of celery contributes to maintaining hydration levels, preventing dehydration-related issues. Additionally, the vegetable's water content can assist in reducing bloating, offering relief from discomfort. Remember, while celery may provide potential benefits, it is important to address any persistent or severe heartburn symptoms with a healthcare professional. They can offer appropriate guidance and treatment options tailored to your specific needs. 4. Supports weight loss. Celery serves as an excellent addition to any weight loss diet due to its low-calorie nature, high fiber content, and remarkable satiety factor. Additionally, it provides an array of nutrients that support the body's metabolism. One notable compound found in celery is 3N-butyl phthalate, which has been observed to stimulate brown fat activation. Brown fat is responsible for burning calories, and research indicates that 3N-butyl phthalate in celery can enhance the energy-burning capacity of brown fat cells. This study is significant as it highlights the potential of activating brown fat to combat obesity by effectively utilizing excess calories. Moreover, celery is rich in essential vitamins such as A, B6, C, and K. These nutrients play a crucial role in aiding the body's conversion of carbohydrates or sugars into energy. They also contribute to the energy required for various bodily functions, including brain activity and immune system function. Incorporating celery into your weight loss regimen can support your goals by providing a nutrient-dense, low-calorie option that promotes satiety and supports a healthy metabolism. However, it is important to remember that sustainable weight loss involves a balanced diet and regular physical activity. Consultation with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian is recommended to develop an individualized plan tailored to your specific needs and goals. 5. Keeps you hydrated. Celery offers an additional advantage by helping to prevent dehydration, primarily due to its high water content. Dehydration can occur when there is an insufficient intake of fluids or excessive perspiration, such as during exercise or exposure to hot weather conditions. By consuming celery, which is abundant in water, you can replenish your body's fluid levels and maintain hydration for extended periods. Moreover, celery contains sodium, which plays a role in fluid retention within the body by increasing blood volume. This property can assist in managing symptoms associated with dehydration, including headaches, dry mouth, or constipation. Including celery in your diet can be a valuable strategy to support proper hydration and address the challenges of dehydration. However, it is important to note that while celery contributes to hydration, it should not be considered a substitute for regular water intake. Drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day remains essential for maintaining optimal hydration levels. Remember to listen to your body's signals and consult with a healthcare professional if you experience persistent or severe symptoms of dehydration. They can provide appropriate guidance and recommendations tailored to your specific needs. 6. Reduces inflammation. Celery possesses a compound called apigenin, which has demonstrated the ability to reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is the immune system's response to injury or infection, characterized by tissue swelling and irritation. Prolonged or chronic inflammation can contribute to the development of diseases and certain types of cancer. Apigenin has been studied extensively and has exhibited anti-inflammatory properties in multiple research studies. Its effectiveness may stem from its ability to inhibit the production of cytokines, proteins generated by white blood cells that serve as inflammatory signals. By impeding these cytokines, apigenin shows potential in the treatment of conditions like Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. While the average daily diet typically provides around 5 mg of apigenin, which may not have a significant impact on inflammation, consuming 3 to 4 stalks of celery daily can elevate your intake to approximately 10 mg. This increased apigenin consumption has the potential to enhance its anti-inflammatory effects. Additionally, celery contains a phytonutrient called 2-naphthol, which has been shown to inhibit inflammation in both animal and human studies. This compound may also contribute to lowering blood pressure and maintaining the health of blood vessels by protecting against oxidative stress-induced damage. Incorporating celery into your daily routine allows you to harness the potential anti-inflammatory properties of apigenin and 2-naphthol. However, it is essential to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice, particularly if you have specific inflammatory conditions or concerns. They can provide comprehensive guidance on incorporating celery or other suitable strategies into your overall healthcare plan. 7. May improve vision. Celery is abundant in vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in promoting optimal eye health. Vitamin C is essential for maintaining the structure and function of connective tissues throughout the body, including those in the eyes. By supporting collagen production, vitamin C ensures the health of eye tissues and helps prevent age-related vision issues such as cataracts and macular degeneration. Cataracts, characterized by cloudy patches on the lenses of the eyes, can result in blurred vision or even complete loss of vision. While aging is a primary cause of cataracts, they can also be triggered by injuries or oxidative stress from factors like sunlight exposure or cigarette smoke. By including celery in your diet, which is rich in vitamin C, you can provide your eyes with the necessary support to maintain healthy tissues and potentially reduce the risk of age-related vision problems. However, it is essential to maintain a well-rounded approach to eye health, which includes regular eye checkups, protection from harmful environmental factors, and a balanced diet overall. Remember to consult with an eye care professional for personalized advice and recommendations, especially if you have existing eye conditions or concerns. 8. Boosts fertility in men. In recent years, there has been a growing association between celery consumption and its potential positive impact on male fertility by improving both semen quality and quantity. Celery is notably rich in vitamin K, a nutrient that has shown promise in preventing various conditions that can negatively affect male fertility. A study published in the journal Fertility and Sterility sheds light on the potential benefits of celery for male fertility. The study involved 96 men who were randomly assigned to receive either a placebo or celery supplementation over a period of 90 days. The results revealed that the group consuming celery experienced a significant increase in sperm count, up to 79% higher compared to those who received the placebo. The findings of this study highlight the potential of celery to positively impact sperm count, thereby potentially enhancing male fertility. However, it is important to note that individual results may vary, and further research is necessary to fully understand the mechanisms and long-term effects. If you are interested in exploring celery's potential benefits for male fertility, it is recommended to consult with a healthcare professional or fertility specialist. They can provide personalized advice, consider your specific circumstances, and guide you on potential dietary interventions or other fertility-enhancing strategies. 9. Helps ease urinary tract infections. Celery has long been recognized as a natural remedy for various ailments and diseases, including urinary tract infections, UTIs. For individuals who have experienced challenges in resolving UTIs with antibiotics, celery juice may offer some assistance. It can be particularly beneficial when used alongside antibiotics as a preventive measure against reinfection. However, it is crucial to exercise caution and consult your doctor before consuming more than 1 cup of celery juice per day, as it may interact with certain medications like digoxin, commonly prescribed for heart conditions. Another potential remedy lies in celery seed oil, which contains compounds believed to boost the immune system and combat UTIs. The oil's antibacterial properties may also aid in preventing bacteria from adhering to the walls of the bladder and causing infection. Studies have demonstrated that the use of celery seed extract may lower the risk of recurrent UTIs in women. Additionally, celery seeds have shown promise in alleviating pain associated with UTIs by promoting relaxation of the bladder muscles. While celery and its derivatives have shown potential benefits for UTIs, it is important to approach their use with proper medical guidance. Consulting with a healthcare professional is advisable, as they can provide personalized advice, assess your specific condition, and recommend suitable treatment options or dietary interventions for UTI management. 10. May prevent cancer. According to the National Cancer Institute, celery contains chemicals known for their anti-cancer properties, which have demonstrated the ability to inhibit the growth of various tumor cells, including those associated with breast cancer. These chemicals may also impede tumor spread by preventing the formation of new blood vessels necessary for their rapid growth. Research findings indicate that regular consumption of celery can have a positive impact on cancer risk. For instance, one study revealed that men who consumed 1 cup of raw celery daily exhibited lower levels of prostate-specific antigen, PSA, a marker associated with prostate cancer risk. Another study conducted at Ohio State University found that men who consumed 5 or more servings of celery per week had a 75% lower likelihood of developing advanced prostate cancer compared to those who consumed less than 2 servings per week. Celery may also offer protection against lung cancer. Studies conducted on mice have shown that celery extract can help prevent lung cancer, potentially attributed to the presence of apigenin in celery. This compound works by inhibiting certain enzymes that promote inflammation and cell growth. Additionally, celery extract has been observed to reduce the number of lung tumors in mice exposed to tobacco smoke, a known cause of lung cancer. Considering its numerous benefits, celery is a valuable addition to one's diet. Apart from being a source of essential nutrients such as vitamins A and C, iron, folic acid, potassium, and manganese, celery also contains phytochemicals that promote heart health and aid in cancer prevention. Incorporating celery into your regular diet can provide you with a wide range of health benefits. However, it is important to note that individual results may vary, and maintaining an overall balanced diet and healthy lifestyle is essential for optimal well-being. If you have specific concerns or conditions, it is advisable to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice and guidance. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.